Understanding your tax and super obligations is crucial when it comes to engaging workers, whether they are classified as employees or contractors. In Australia, the Australian Taxation Office has specific guidelines to determine these obligations. Let's explore the tax and super responsibilities for businesses when engaging different types of workers. When you engage an individual as an employee, you have certain tax and superannuation obligations. These obligations include deducting the correct amount of tax from their wages and making regular superannuation contributions on their behalf. As an employer, you are responsible for reporting and remitting the withheld taxes to the ATO through the PAYG, pay-as-you-go, withholding system. Additionally, you must pay the required superannuation contributions to your employee's chosen superannuation fund. When engaging a contractor, the tax and super obligations differ. Generally, contractors are responsible for managing their own tax affairs, including calculating and paying their own taxes. They must provide you with an invoice for their services. Regarding superannuation, contractors are generally not entitled to receive superannuation contributions from the business engaging their services. However, there are specific circumstances where contractors may be entitled to receive superannuation contributions. It's important to understand the criteria outlined by the ATO to determine if these obligations apply. The ATO provides guidelines to determine whether a contractor is considered an employee for superannuation purposes. These guidelines consider factors such as the degree of control, independence, and the nature of the working relationship. It's crucial for businesses to correctly classify workers to meet their tax and super obligations. Misclassification can result in penalties, back payments, and potential legal consequences. It's recommended to review the specific circumstances and seek professional advice if needed. Regardless of whether your worker is an employee or a contractor, it's important to keep accurate records and documentation. This includes records of wages, taxes withheld, superannuation contributions, invoices from contractors, and any other relevant documentation. Maintaining thorough records ensures compliance with tax and superannuation requirements, and it makes the process of reporting to the ATO easier. In summary, understanding your tax and super obligations when engaging workers is essential. By correctly identifying whether a worker is an employee or a contractor and fulfilling the respective obligations, businesses can ensure compliance with ATO guidelines and maintain a transparent and lawful working environment. For detailed information and assistance tailored to your specific circumstances, it's advisable to consult with tax professionals or experts familiar with Australian tax and superannuation laws.